Here is an easy way to make a Mickey-themed floral bouquet that anybody can do, and you don't have to special order it. So I'm going to show you, these are the Mickey bouquets, and it's very simple. What you have is classic Mickey colors down here. So a red and a black ribbon, and it's simply wrapped around a plain glass base. And then you have colors that are classic Mickey colors. You have the black inside the Gerber daisy, yellow and red. These are all flowers that you can find in your local grocery store. Now what makes them unique and Mickey shaped are these Mickey Mouse heads made out of flowers. Now what you're gonna do is, these are generally just one round flower on a stem, but what's been done here is that they've been hot glued together. So you get 3 different stems, cut it very close to the ball of the flower, and then hot glue them on, and it makes Mickey heads. It is so simple, so easy to do, and yet it adds that Disney touch to any floral bouquet that you're gonna be making. This would be perfect for birthdays, for anniversaries, any celebrations, or just getting excited to go to Walt Disney World or Disneyland.
It would make us so happy if you subscribe to our channel right now and also hit that like button. We've got so much more Disney content coming up, including Disney shopping hauls, Disney travel, and a lot of Disney DIY.